This tutorial is how to make a collage using BeFunky, and you just type in befunky.com and it will bring you to this page. You can create an account if you want to, and there is of course a paid version which gives you a lot more options than the free version. I'm just using the free version. So you could click on layouts, and it's got a couple, but anything with a star is paid. So if I click on this, then it's going to give me this grid, etc., etc. But I think I'm going to create my own because I'm only going to put 5 photographs on this, and there isn't really a good free grid with just 5 images. All right, and so I want to come to Image Manager, and I'm going to look on my computer. I went to my Google Drive, my Drive, and then I looked for the folder of the photographs that I want to add. So this one is just going to be some pictures that I took on the ferry, and so I click on one, hold down the control button, and I can select multiple images. Okay, that might be 6. And then I press open. And you'll notice that they all load right here. All right, and then all we have to do is click and drag and then resize any size we want. Perhaps we want one in the middle to make it a little bit larger. And of course you can see here that there are some options for the image. And I'll come down here. And oops, I already used that one. And oops, that one. Oh, I already added that one, so I just press delete. Very easy to do. And let's see, which one should I put in? I'll put this one. All right, so I have my photos here, and let's see. So here I can do a couple of different blend modes. You can check it out and see what happens, but I'm just going to use normal because this isn't really working for this situation, but you can change and make them see-through. So maybe you want to put one in the background and make that as your background and just make it kind of a light background if you want to. Here I can change the order, and oh, I'm duplicating it. That's what I don't want to do. All right, so I've got my basics, and I could come up here and customize the background if I wanted to. It doesn't really work for this this one right here, but maybe black. All right. You can add little graphics if you want to, and you can add text if you would like to. And I can put like fairy, highlight, oops. And then move that if I want to. It's a little bit tough. You got to make sure you're on the right layer. Maybe that'll help me. I'm using the move arrows actually. All right, and here we have it. Oh, let's move it over just a little bit. Sorry, I'm kind of a little perfectionist about this sort of thing. I want to make it sure it's in the middle. So that's it. And then we're going to save it. And we want to save it to, we can try to save it to our Google Drive. you could change the label to be your last name. And then of course you want to find the folder that you want to save it to. Another option is saving it to your computer. And that is a good option, I believe, because it makes sure that you are saving a JPEG. Okay, and I can call Scow Collage, make sure it's a JPEG, save it, and then it automatically downloads. All right, and then once it downloads, I can save it in the correct folder so that I can find it to turn it in. All right, and that is creating a collage using the program BeFunky.